And this is part of like filling your cup. I feel like there will come a point where there's so much wedding things happening. I have to book this, I have to meet that person. And sometimes you really don't get a chance to sit down and just feel pampered in a specific way. Do you want to stay grounded, less triggered, less annoyed, and mindful throughout your wedding process? Well, then, welcome. You've come to the right place. Hi, lovelies. Welcome back to our channel, and I'm super excited to introduce to you a brand new series, The Little Book of Mindful Wedding Planning, Ebook Walkthrough. I have linked the ebook in the description below where you can grab your own copy. In this series, we'll explore and dive deep into each chapter. So, if you're getting married or is close to someone who is getting married, or is just altogether into mindfulness, then this series is for you. Join us every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays as we journey through the little book of mindful wedding planning, chapter by chapter. Before we get on this week's chapter, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can never miss an episode. Together, we'll create moments of mindfulness amidst the demands of wedding planning. Hello, lovelies! Welcome back. And yes, we are now on chapter 15, Doll Up. Let me read on. Take a long shower. Condition your hair with extra products. Use that luxurious soap to rinse your body. Put makeup on. Well, if you're like me, I always have makeup on. But I'm not talking about everyday makeup here. It's all about that runway makeup. You know what I mean? High fashion vibes. Extra long lashes, red lipstick, and extreme contour. Yes, I can hear some of you saying, I'm just not into those things. No, you don't have to be into those things to do them. You do them to give yourself a different experience and have a good laugh if it doesn't work out. If it works out, then take 1,000 selfies. Girl, vibe it, feel it. Walk around in your favorite dress and your favorite heels. Take that one day and just feel yourself. Romanticize yourself.
Main character vibes it.
Okay? Main character vibes. Take a lot of selfies. It doesn't have to be perfect. You know what? You can take a lot of selfies if it's good for you and you feel satisfied with your own makeup. You'd be just like, yeah, I love it. And if not, you still take selfies and you're just like, oh my God, this was such an amazing day. I had such a good laugh. And you know what, to be fair, I can hear some of you saying, that's a lot of work. I really don't feel like I want to do the makeup. I don't know anything about makeup. I don't have all those products. And honestly, that's absolutely fair. But
Fret not.
I have an idea for you. So makeup counters, you can actually book a makeup session with them. MAC for sure does that. Lancome does that too. Back in the day, long time ago, in a very far away land. Really, no, it's not. Like long time ago, I worked in downtown Toronto. I worked at the main Clinique beauty counter, and we would have a list of customers where they actually said yes to sign up to be called if there's a new product release. And I would call them and I would say, hey, if you want to try the product, come see me at the counter and I can set up a makeover for you so you can see the product and also give you a full makeup. It really depends on which makeup brand I guess you're signed up for. But if you buy one thing from them from before, you can call them and see, hey, do you have new products? I wanted to try a new makeup. I wanted to try a new foundation. I was wondering if you can do a makeover for me. And it's not, some of them have a price. I'm not sure how it goes nowadays because I haven't been in the beauty counter for a while, but I know that they would either charge you a small fee or you would need to buy 1 or 2 items. So you just have to be clear about that when you call in and book for it. But buying 1 or 2 items, you might actually deserve that. You probably are in a great treat because you're having a makeover, someone's pampering you, you're looking at yourself in the mirror. This is like, again, high fashion glam. You're like, yeah, feel it, vibe it. Enjoy that moment for you. You deserve that. And you know what? While you're at it, if you're at the mall at that makeup counter, probably at a department store, walk around, try on really good heels that you otherwise will not really try on unless there is an event, unless you need it specifically for something, or whatever it is that you haven't tried on. Just this new experience of like feeling yourself and vibing it. And this is part of like filling your cup. I feel like there will come a point where there's so much wedding things happening. I have to book this, I have to meet that person. And sometimes you really don't get a chance to sit down and just feel pampered in a specific way. And there's a lot of ways, if you've seen some of our old videos and some of the things that we suggest, but this is really one of them, where just see yourself in a different light, in a different persona, this like bad bitch coming out of its shell, you know, like, yeah,
I'm coming out.
you know, just feel it. Just get that out. Like, yeah, I'm hot. You don't have to tell people, by the way, if you're, you know, if you're not comfortable with that, you don't have to tell people, but you have to feel it inside you. Give yourself a chance to feel that. And if, again, you're not into those things, as I can already hear some of you in the comments or in the email saying, well, I'm not really into makeup. I don't see myself. You don't have to engage in that specifically. Maybe that can be your nails. Maybe that can be your hair. But a lot of the things that you can do at home, you can also have booked outside. I'm talking about things that you might not need to spend so much money on. Obviously, if you get your nails done, you're going to have to spend a lot of money on that, depending on the design. But you're going to have to spend much more than that, as opposed to going to your makeup counter where you're going to buy makeup too. You're still going to spend money, but that's going to be used for the next 4-6 months, if not longer. So depending on where you are at and what you're looking at in terms of schedule and budget, just know what makes sense to you. But it's important to feel dolled up. Just like, yeah, I look good. I love myself. I'm amazing. I can handle this. This crazy wedding planning journey, I can handle this vibe. Main character, experience, feeling it, vibing. Enjoy your day. Have a good laugh. And you know what? This is also when having really amazing set of friends and family changes the game, because even if I would try something new, like I would try a new lipstick, I would try a new hairstyle, I would share that with specific people and we would have a really good laugh about it. There's no judgment. There's no like, oh, you wasted your time. We just like, oh my God, that must have been fun. And that is gonna go down. Like, that is for the books. Because that's such a great story, a great experience. Every experience that you have, you put the interpretation of that and you internalize it, hopefully in a positive way. Even if a situation is positive or negative, that's just always your interpretation. You can take a long bath. You can buy a conditioner that you always want to try. There are specific conditioners that have like such a luxurious feel to it. Just when you use it, just even buying a specific brand, it's an investment. You're investing in yourself. You're investing time. You're investing effort in yourself. And honestly, sometimes you don't feel like, oh, I don't look good, or I don't look like myself. This is not who I am. At this point, my friend, we're still going to be ourselves no matter what we put on when nails, we are still going to be ourselves. But right now we're sitting at an experience. We're sitting at giving ourselves a chance to be dolled up, to look amazing, to be pampered. That's what the goal of this chapter is. And that's a wrap for today's episode of the Little Book of Mindful Wedding Planning series. Your comments, questions, and support mean the world to us. And I can't wait to hear from you in the comments section below. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you can never miss an episode. If you found today's episode valuable, please give it a thumbs up so it can reach more people. Thank you so much, lovelies. See you on the next episode. Bye!